Have you ever encountered the problem of uneven powder mixing? What you need is a mixing machine that truly helps you improve product stability and reduce rework. Let us demonstrate this double shaft paddle mixer for you. The bidirectional ribbon mixer rapidly agitates the material, ensuring each batch of raw materials is fully blended. Many factories encounter the problem of long mixing times, leading to inefficiencies that can't keep up with orders. This equipment can help you improve mixing efficiency, quickly and evenly mixing multiple powders with a single feed. We can see that the materials are fully mixed, with no obvious lumps, and are fine and uniform. More uniform mixing, more efficient production. Choose us and make every batch of products more consistent in quality.